In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order using QuickBooks. We'll go through each step carefully, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of the process. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your QuickBooks account. This is your starting point for accessing all the features QuickBooks has to offer. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, look for the Plan New button, typically located at the top or side of your screen. This button serves as your gateway to creating various documents and transactions within the platform. Next, after clicking on the Plus New button, focus on the Suppliers section. This is crucial because we're creating a purchase order, which involves interaction with suppliers. In the Suppliers list, select Purchase Order to open a new form specifically for this type of transaction. Now, you'll need to select a supplier. Look for the drop-down icon, allowing you to choose from your list of suppliers. For illustration, let's select a demo supplier. This ensures we're set up with a practical example. Having selected a supplier, it's time to add an email address. This step is essential for sending notification of the purchase order to the supplier. Simply click on the email field and input the relevant address. Following the email, we move to address details. Enter the mailing address where necessary. Keeping all information precise will help in ensuring seamless communication and delivery. Now let's address the customer's information. Use the Ship To option to add a customer address. This is where the goods will be delivered if it differs from the regular address. With addresses sorted, let's set the purchase order date. Click on the calendar icon to pick a date that aligns with your ordering and processing schedule. It's important to select this accurately to maintain order tracking. Adding a shipping address is the next step. Ensure that the details here are correct, as it informs where the supplier should send the goods. Then it's time to manage checkout details. By clicking on the checkout option, you'll fine-tune specifics related to how the order is managed post-confirmation. Focusing now on line items, you'll see a spreadsheet-like layout. Click on Category and Description fields to input the specific details of the products or services being ordered. Ensure precision here for clarity in order specifics. In the Amount section, set the pricing or purchasing cost. Be thorough to avoid any discrepancies later on. Don't forget to include relevant taxes by clicking on the tax option. Should this purchase order be tied to a specific customer or project, assign it accordingly to maintain organized records. You can also leave a message for your supplier right on the purchase order. Doing so might add details that facilitate smoother transactions or express specific requests. If additional notes are necessary, click to add a memo. This is helpful for internal records or communicating special instructions. Attachments can be added if supporting documents or images are necessary. Click on the Add Attachment button to upload any files needed. Finally, when everything looks good, simply click Save and Close, and there you have it. You've successfully created a purchase order. Congratulations on completing the process.